Okay, another tube unboxing video. This is supposed to be a set of Strong Testing 12 DW7s, which is the replacement for the incorrect tube that was in the 1970 V4. And we'll get this out and put them on the tester and check them out. So not a bad packing idea. Okay, so this is supposed to be 3 Millards, 7247, so a 12 DW7s. Let's see what we can see here. I see the 7247 on there. There's one. And so after the 6K11s the other day, I will be unpacking all my tubes on video. Just like this. Just because they're getting expensive and hard to find. Okay, this one's also listed as the 7247. So I'm going to guess that none of these three carry the DW7 markings, probably because they're from Britain, I believe, Millard is. So just a different marking system, but internally the same type of preamp tube. Okay, I see the 247 on there. I'm guessing the leading two went away. Alright, we'll stick this stuff back in here. Oh. And if you hear me groaning, it's just because something popped in my back a little while ago. Setting up the greenhouse outside in the wind, I bent over to pick something up and pop. So not a good thing. Alright, let's actually take a look into the viewfinder and see. Yep, okay, good. I'll get the tube tester out. So the first thing I'll show you is in here, and we got the cross references. So there we see 12 DW7 cross references to a 7247. According to that, that's a direct replacement. Okay, I don't know if that was able to show up, but okay. DW7, 12 DW7, 7247. So, these should be direct replacements. Alright. Stick them all in the pin straightener first. Okay, here go the pins. Let's see how my tester is in the view. Okay, good. So it's upside down for you guys, but that's alright. You can tell what's going on here. So, we'll grab our paperwork, and I highlighted all the tubes that my amps require, just to make it easier for me to run through them all. See if I can find that. Okay, there's the 12 DW7s right there. Okay, so there's a pair of tests on that. And we can see switch 1's to A, switch 2 starts on 3, and that will go to 8 for the second test. This will go to F. That also turns the power on. And for the first test we're on 2. And then the 3 and 2 will switch to 8 and 7 respectively for the second test. Okay, so, and what socket are we in? We're in socket A. That was an interesting flash on that. Let those heaters come up. We see no shorts. Okay, the filaments are good. It's weird that we got that glow on the bottom of the left side filament there. But, oh yeah. Test right up at 70 and holding. Nice. Okay, you know what we'll do is we'll test all 3 of them each setting and then swap the setting. Oh, that one did the same. Interesting. So we got no short showing on the grid leakage light. Give those filaments a second. And that one's running around 62, holding steady. Maybe a little higher, 63, 64, so that's still climbing. We'll let that one warm up for a little bit more. Oh boy, my back is sore. 65, okay, so that's good enough. I'm happy with that. And number 3 tube, let's see if this one does the same flare up on the filaments. Yep. Wow, that's pretty wild. Not used to seeing that with many tubes. And we'll give those filaments a second to come up. We got no shorts showing there. Very good so far. And we're right up to 65 and that's still climbing. We'll wait another couple of seconds and try it again, see how high she goes. 65 plus, okay, good. Very good, and then for the second test we go to switch 8, position 8 on switch 2 and position 7 on switch 4. Okay, everything else remains the same. Again, no shorts, no glow on that neon. Didn't take too long because it was just in there. And it's dead on the other side. Are you kidding? Oh no, there it is. So that's almost 70. So that was just a dirty pin. 68, 69, and climbing. Excellent. He did say they were strong. I did that flare up again. That's interesting. I'm not used to seeing that. Maybe it's just a characteristic of the Millards. Beats me. That one's right up there too. 68, 69, and climbing. Awesome. And the next one. Again with that flare up. Yeah, so that just must be characteristics of these tubes. Okay, we got good heat of glow. And we're showing 60 and climbing on that. We'll give it another second. 65. Very good. So we got 3 good DW7s, which is good. I need one to replace in the 1970 Ampeg, and that will give me 2 spares, one for each, the 70 and the 71. Beautiful. Yep, 65, completely acceptable. Awesome. So, now we'll go on eBay and leave this guy positive feedback. That's what we want to see. So, I did order another, and actually I should show you that. You can see that light flash just for a second as that discharges a cap in there. So that's a good test to make sure that works before you test any tubes, you know what I mean? So bring that up to ERF, it doesn't matter. And then when you come across A to off, actually that's all you got to do is A to off, and that discharges and you can see it. So that shows you that that neon's working. So that's good. 3 good 12 DW7s or 7247s, depending on which numbering system you want to utilize. But that's good. That'll make for a happy amp. Oh, forgive my groaning again. My back is killing.